Being a Mustang guy at heart, when I heard that Ford was putting out a model that tapped into that old Fox body heritage, you know, the kind that I used to own, I had to get a closer look. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics, and this is the Ford Mustang FX.
Yup, I had a 5.0 way before I knew how to take a decent car pick. So when Ford asked me if I wanted to take a quick look at one in the flesh, I couldn't say no.
So one of the first things that you're going to notice is the teal paint and all the white details.
This particular car was painted Adriatic Blue Metallic, a color very similar to what the 1993 Mustang Cobra wore, and overall, it looked better in person than it did in the pics.
Interestingly enough, I'm not mad at the wheels. Now, they might take a bit to keep clean, but they're not bad. Now, the bits in the front, they might take some getting used to.
The wheels are 19-inch Oxford white painted cast aluminum, and the same white is used on the badging and grille. I'm not sure if this is what Ford was going for, but it reminds me of the special edition 7-Up LX convertible from 1990. That was a cool looking car with its white top, white interior, and GT style wheels.
Now, the rear end is pretty status quo with the large quad exhaust tips and the sequential turn signals, but that spoiler looks a little different to me. I could be wrong though, so let me know in the comments below.
The powertrain should be the same as in a standard GT, with a 5-liter V8 engine that makes 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. I'm not sure if an automatic will be available for this FX trim, but this car had a 6-speed manual transmission. Mustangs with the performance exhaust make 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque, so this car could very likely be set up like that.
Now, inside, you can see you've got the large display, nice looking steering wheel with plenty of controls, Recaro seats, and of course, a 6-speed manual transmission. Still sounds like a Mustang too.
So that was a quick look at this upcoming 2026 Mustang FX trim. Feel free to tell us what you think of it, as well as if you'd like Ford to send us one for full review in the comments below. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what we have coming up next. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics. Thanks for watching.